Welcome back, guys. Here in this section we are going to learn face and feature detection. So here we are dedicatedly will work to feature recognition and face detection. A feature is any part of an image which can be used to understand an image better and to help perform a needed task. Features can be visual components of an image or more mathematical properties of the patterns and arrangements of the pixel values. Good features are invariant to change like lighting or scaling. For example, the circularity of a segmented object or the ratio of the shortest to longest axis statistical property of an image or color distribution could also act as a feature if it fits the problem. Features are identified by classifiers to either detect or recognize objects and image. Note to be careful how you use the terms detection versus recognition on your side. Detection is often the step prior to recognition. For example, the faces you first might detect whether a face exists in an image, and follow-up step might be understand if that face matches any image in the database. In this case, features such as the distance between eye and an image may be used both for detection process to see whether not a face actually exists, but also used as a classifier for recognition process to see which face it specifically matches with. So here we will be looking at the two specific algorithms, the template matching for general object recognition and also hard cascading as means for the face detection. So thank you. I'll be back with next lecture with the template matching.